as promised, the sequel is here. It's the end of the week, and I'm hopeful today. Hopeful. Okay, let's get this started.
Check. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Relentless Fit 365. Where today the beach still that good. Can't see it rocking.
In today's video, I'm going to be trying a new microphone setup. I actually took one of our tripod stands for the green screen. I extended it with the Rode mic, and then also with the Q&A. I'm currently using this mic, but I'm gonna switch over to the mic over here. So I'm excited to see how it's gonna work. It seemed like when I was testing it, it worked out really well. I think all around it's gonna be a pretty fun Friday. I did some research on the internet. I might have missed something. There was a few steps, and then I took some time in between taking this apart to research it again and make sure it was what I was looking at, and it turned out to be the case. I actually ordered this probably a week ago after I realized the laptop was probably kaput, and this happened to cost me $30 in the hole. Will it happen? I don't know. Going back and doing some of the research, I wasted so much time, so I'm gonna have to put this aside and get ready for the live video, and then we'll come back and do it. But after the live video, I'm gonna come back. We're gonna try to install this, and we'll see if we can fire it up. I better get ready for the live video. Then we'll come back. Hopefully, we'll have a better conclusion this time. Be a great way to finish this vlog and the week. Okay. Until then, let's go hit the live workout. Test out our new microphone system.
What's up, your 1140s? Welcome back.
I see the positivity. You know, there's some people that are new, they ask questions and you guys jump all over it. Beautiful answers. That means something. So many good people involved. Guys, thanks for watching. Always remember, eat healthy, train hard, most especially.
I'm kind of ahead of schedule today and pretty excited to see if this corrects my problem. Yeah, let's just dig into it, get it started. Okay, so unfortunately I can't fire this up just yet. I haven't even pushed the power button, so I don't know. It's all assembled. One of the guys from maintenance is coming over here. They're gonna take a look at the pipe and find out what the deal is with the leaking. So I got like 10 minutes, and then afterwards I will hopefully be able to, fingers crossed.
Push this one off.
I think a lot about mindset was brought up. Now I know we face stumbling blocks. We get through situations that sometimes we're not sure if we can handle them. And then when we get to the end of it, we look back and we think, man, you know, it's really satisfying that I was able to accomplish it. Focus on your little successes. And don't beat yourself up so much on the things that didn't go right for you this month. And let's have a terrific February. If you look back in January and you focus on your successes, I think that's gonna propel you for February. And that's all I wanted to say. Let's have a good month. Okay, finally. The day turned out to stretch a little bit longer than I had hoped. Been thinking about this basically all day, and either way, it's been a good week, and we're not going to let this dim the spirit of the week. I haven't pushed it yet. I almost don't want to. Okay, all right, I'm going to push it. No way. Okay, it's turning on, but I'm still not out of the woods. I want to make sure it actually, like, there's no apple, and that's scary. It's just a white screen. It's just a white screen. It's kind of what I was worried about, that, you know, I finally got the thing on, but it's not going to be loading up now. I had this problem last time. Okay, never mind. I forgot my password. Don't look. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Everything seems to be running. Let's see if Final Cut comes up. This is a big success for me, considering, like, it's not just a laptop. It is just a laptop, but it's what it can do for me. Now, I understand, like, 2 computers, that's a luxury. But when your desktop is in your studio, it grossly roots you here, and that's what the problem is. I've been stationary here to edit the vlogs and to basically do other things that I had to do on the computer. This made me mobile, so I could take the work on the go, and I can essentially be in other places without being tied down here. This is huge. I can't believe. I think it looks like it's working well. I'm gonna shut the camera off. I'm gonna look at it again, but we're gonna end the vlog here today. I got nothing else to say. This is unbelievable. I'm gonna take this small victory. This is a win. This is definitely a win. Great way to end the week. Great way to end the vlog. I can't believe this. All right.